Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Phillip Maloba, co-founder of Vogueshades and Scents. I work close with my close friend, Pomlani Tugu. We started the business in January 2023. So we are based in Mafikeng. We are also an online store, so you can reach our products online. The reason I started my business, I was that guy who smells good in the office. So a lot of people will ask me, okay, what are you using? So I saw a gap in that. Then I decided to push the cologne business. Okay, so the product that I provide is fragrances for ladies and men. Some are also unisex. I also sell sunglasses also. What separates me from other people who are selling colognes, I prioritize in the quality of the product. You do get some colognes, you put them on, 2 hours they are off. So I don't compromise quality and my pricing as well. So my pricing is very reasonable and my customers are happy with that. We have a Facebook page, it's Vogueshades and Scents. So please like, follow, share the page. We also on Instagram, same handle, Vogueshades and Scents, and also on WhatsApp. The number is 079 099 5753. So it's a WhatsApp business. When you save that number, you will be able to see our catalog there. Hi, my name is Phillip Maloba, and I'm a Township entrepreneur.